Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI sound effect using ElevenLabs. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to visit this website ElevenLabs.io, and then you're going to sign in with your Google account, and after that you can go to the sound effects menu. Okay, and then here you can describe a sound that you want to create, and I have already created a prompt. I have asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me, so I'm just gonna paste the sound effect here, and then here you can activate the looping SFX. Okay, and then you're going to choose the duration. I'm just going to choose auto duration, and this is for the prompt influence, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we can click on this icon to generate the sound effect. Okay, and now the sound effect is being generated. It's still loading. Okay, and just hold on guys. Alright, and the sound effects have been created. You have some alternatives and you can play one by one. Okay, and this one. That's so cool. And if you want to download the sound effect, you can click on this download icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create sound effect using ElevenLabs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.